Hi everyone, so today I'm just going to learn about straight lines. Straight lines. Sounds simple, right? But it's very important when you want to understand how straight lines and angles work together. For example, famous straight line. Let's say you have like a horizontal line like this. Let me just bring my line. Have a horizontal like this, right? And so what you know about the horizontal is, or what you should understand about the horizontal is the angle that is on the horizontal, this adjacent angle on a straight line. This angle is a supplementary angle. The angle on a straight line is a supplementary angle. So this adjacent angle is supplementary angle. What does it mean? It means that this angle rotates about 180 degrees. It means it just rotate about 180 degrees. That's what it means. Okay, so meaning this angle basically is 180 degrees. So for example, you could have a straight line in your questions, and maybe you have another line like that and another line like that, right? And they call it this point here A, and then they say you have A1, A2, A3, right? So we're saying that this angle is supplementary, so meaning that this whole thing is 180 degrees. So what does this really mean? It means that angle A1 plus angle A2 plus angle A3 is equal to 180 degrees. So the sum of these angles, they will give you 180 degrees. So if you see a straight line and you see something like this, then you know that the sum of those angles is 180 degrees. Let me give you an example. You might have a situation where you have, let's say you have a line like that, straight line like this, and what do we know? Let's say this is E, let's say this is D, this is F, and let's say this is G, this is H, and they tell you that this is 2x plus 10 degrees, and they tell you this is x plus 40 degrees, and they say this is x plus 30 degrees. Okay, and they want you to calculate the size of x and h angle f. So they want you to calculate the size of x and h angle f. So we call this h angle f. What is h angle f? So this is your h, right? So you start with h angle E and then F. So they're looking for the size of this angle. But first you need to find X. Now how do we do this? Firstly, you need to recognize that the sum of these 1, 2, 3 angles is equal to 180, right? Because they are supplementary angles. The sum of the angles in a straight line is equal to 180. So let's try and solve this problem. So what you're going to do is you're going to now remember that the sum of these angles is equal to 180, meaning we see here we said A1 plus A2 plus A3, they give you 180, right? So we're going to do that. You're going to say x plus 30 plus x plus 40 plus x plus 10 is equal to 180. The sum of these angles, they give you 180. So you have x plus 30 plus x plus 40 plus 2x plus 10 give you 180, right? And from here, you can group the like terms. So you can have x plus 2x plus 30 plus 40 plus 10 is equal to 180, right? X plus 2x, we know that is 4x. 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 plus 10, that is 80. And from here, you have 4x is equal to, take positive 1 is positive 80, put the other side, it's become negative. So you're going to have 180 minus 80. So your 4x is equal to 100 degrees. And from here, because we are solving for x, so the question says find the size of x. What you're going to do is you're going to divide by the coefficient of x on both sides, which is 4. So if you divide the coefficient of x on both sides, which is 4, so on your left hand side, you're going to end up with x. On your right hand side, you're going to end up with 25 degrees. So x is equal to 25 degrees. Okay, that's the size of x. Now, next question is to find the size of HEF. Okay, the size of HEF. So how do you do that? So you have, remember, this is HEF. H, okay, H, E, F. Okay, so if they say they were looking for H, angle EG, I'm sure you see it. They'll be, let me just try another color. So they'll be looking for H. This is H. This will be your H, E, and G. So this is what they will be looking for. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so we are looking for, let me keep it, it's fine. So we are looking for a different scenario. So we're looking for HEF. So we're looking for HEF. So we're looking for this HEF. And we know that H, let me just reduce the colors, HEF, this is HEF, and we know it is equal to 2x plus 10 degrees. And likely we know x, so x is 25, so 2 times 25 plus 10. So 2 times 25, if you punch this in your calculator, you see that 2 times 25, that is 50. 50 plus 10, that is 60 degrees. So HEF is equal to 60 degrees. So this is how you actually calculate an angle in a straight line. Awesome.